Gro offers several IGC-oriented retail brands, which are held to the high industry standards of its professional lines. Our leading brands include well-known industry names like Black Gold, Fafford, Sunshine Advanced retail lines. New to our mix is Proven Winners, premium soils, and plant foods. Our retail products are made with the highest quality ingredients in the same facilities that produce our mixes for professional growers. Quality checks throughout the entire production cycle assure bag-to-bag consistency. Each brand has a distinct set of characteristics that sets it apart from the rest. Among them, you will find a wide array of potting and specialty mixes and garden amendments. Our many brands cover every gardening need, from general gardening to container-specific planting to specialty plants and plant foods. The enthusiast gardener, the hobbyist, and the weekend gardener will all find products to suit their plants, projects, and lifestyle. Most of our potting and planting mixes contain resilience, a beneficial plant substance that may make a plant stronger. Gro's Canadian production facilities are Veriflora certified for sustainability, so you know our products meet the highest environmental standards. And many of our products are listed by the Organic Materials Review Institute, or OMRI, meaning they are specifically designed for the environmentally conscious gardener who likes to garden organically. Gro retail products are available throughout North America via many distributors and hardware co-ops, making them fast and easy to order. Gro, our expertise is growing.